Hello all, today I will be talking about some tips and tricks to help you land your dream job as software developer. There are three key factors to consider: technical skills, communication skills, and people skills. Let's first dive into the technical skills. Obviously, you need to master at least one programming language. It is always best to look for job opportunities that match your proficiency. One thing to keep in mind is that the world of programming is constantly evolving and you need to keep up with it, which is not very difficult thanks to the abundant resources that are available online. Among all the topics involved with programming, data structures and algorithms are the most commonly sought out topics. Knowing the differences of applications of data structures and the time complexities of algorithms can save your life in an interview. In addition to theoretical knowledge, the most important skill you should have is problem solving. There are so many platforms out there that you can use to practice problem solving, and in fact, some companies are using these platforms to host remote coding interviews. You can work on your communication skills way before the interview. After all, it is an important life skill. As a software developer, your digital footprint is something that can be easily improved. Writing or blogging about projects you work on or the problems you solve is a simple but an efficient way of improving your visibility. During the interview, do not worry about your accent or pronunciation. All that matters is how well you organize your thoughts and explain them sensibly to the interviewer. During problem solving, most companies encourage thinking out loud, which is a good way to declutter your mind and come up with a solution. For example, if you're thinking about multiple solutions to a problem, do not hesitate to share them all with the interviewer and go through pros and cons of each solution so that you can reach a final solution easily. Now let's talk about people skills. A lot of software companies work in teams and expect you to have people skills that will adapt well with the company culture. Basically, if you're a good team player, that's it. Regarding the questions that may be asked, there are many platforms such as Glassdoor that will tell you about the past interview questions of different companies. Just respond naturally and honestly, and you should be good to go. Now let's talk about your CV. These are the main areas of focus in your CV. The most important thing is the use of keywords. A lot of companies have automated tools that filter out CVs based on keywords, so when you're describing your work experience, skills, or past projects, make sure to use adequate but relevant keywords. To sum it up, practice doing things right by following best practices and design patterns. Always research on what to expect and be punctual, and that's not just an interview tip. Thank you and good luck.